If you tap and hold on most apps and then tap on Remove App, you have the option to delete the app. And if you're sharing your phone with somebody who's a little trigger happy on deleting apps, we can stop that from happening. We can make it so apps cannot be deleted. They will still be able to be removed from the home screen, but they can't be deleted from the phone. So whatever data you have in there, whatever work you're doing in there is still there. You just have to use the search bar down here to find the app, or go all the way to the right and you can see all the apps in the app library, even ones that are not on the home screen. So to do this, to prevent deletion of apps on your phone, we have to go into the settings, and let's go all the way back to the main settings list. Scroll down until you get to screen time. Tap on screen time. Scroll down. If you don't have screen time activated yet, turn it on, activate it, set a PIN code. And once you have the PIN code set up, you'll see this whole list of things you can do. Let's go to content and privacy restrictions, and then go to iTunes and App Store purchases. And here we see deleting apps is currently allowed. We're going to set that to don't allow. That's going to require a password. And if we want to set that back to allow, it also requires, well, it doesn't require because I just entered it, but it would also require a password if it wasn't 1 second later, which means that if your passcode is secret, someone can't just come in here and allow deleting and then delete your stuff again. So now that that is set that way, we can tap any app. In fact, let's tap the one we did before so we can see the menu's changed. Tap on TeamSnap here, tap on remove, and we see delete app is no longer there. We can only remove it from the home screen or cancel what we're doing here. So now your apps will be safe on your phone as long as your screen code password is kept secret. And if you want to support this channel, there's a button right down below here that says join. Tap on that to see what the membership options are. Sign up for one of those. It helps me keep making these videos for free on YouTube, and I'd love it if you join the community. And next, if you want more space on your phone, as in gigabytes of space sometimes, check out this video right here. It's going to help you find more space by clearing all the hidden trash cans on your iPhone. And if you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.